急に暑い。もうやばいです。来月か今月末かディスカバリー取ってしまって、なんなら7月も取ってしまって、来月は来年はやめとくんですけど。
Huh?
You should turn this on.
He's not allowed to.
Why?
It's
The
a,
other one was turning it on when I was
Is it?
in there.
it's no idling stop at this place here. You didn't hear?
The money's sticking out like that.
When I get off. Okay. Yes, yes.
No, I actually brought it from home. They have one there.
はい、OK です。You have enough water? Thank you. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Some parking in Kyoto, they asked the driver idling stop because the apartment is nearby, house is nearby, so they not allowed to do the idling if no everyone coming. So now we are everyone arriving, so now we have AC. Thank you for your cooperation. And now we go back to hotel. So we are already in Kyoto City. So maybe in 15 minutes we arrive. And after we are out, I need to correct the whisper. Now you say sayonara to your whisper. Sayonara to your whisper. I will correcting one each, so please wait. And if you have a plastic bag, if you keep a plastic bag, I didn't mention, so it's okay. If you don't have plastic bag, it's fine. But if you keep plastic bag, then please put it back into plastic bag. If you don't have it, it's okay. I just want you to do like this. So, going around the devices like this. Just going around like this, okay. we soon arrive at the hotel. The right side is a station, the left side the hotel. So I see you 7 o'clock. The restaurant Plejil for the farewell dinner buffet. And I'd like to thank you, the driver Nakase-san, for the great driving for 2 days. Nakase-san, ありがとうございます。お疲れ様でした。Still some water here. This hotel, there is a water server on the corridor, and you use the bottle of the room, and you can get the water. But you can drink tap water as well. It's okay. But if you want, you can get the bottle of water here. Thank you. See you after 7 o'clock. Yeah, then please take all your belongings with you. Thank you. Yes, your belongings. Trash is your belongings. Thank you.
Yeah?
Get some water before we're going out.
Yeah.
See you. Just in case, I stay at the lobby 1 hour from now on, so until 3:20. So if you have any question, let me know. I will be at the lobby, the travel desk. If I sleeping, let me wake up. Thank you. 1 hour at the lobby until 3:20 at the travel desk. Otherwise, I see you 7 o'clock, the restaurant. Thank you.
Did we get it really? Careful. You'll see. Yeah.
You have a nice bag. Yeah. Nice. You too. Thank you.
See you later.
See you later. Thank you.
See you guys later. Oh my God, it's nice to cool up here.
Yeah. Oh, good. So you show me the whatever. Yeah, I will sit in there. Yeah.
Thank you. You have your cookie thing, right? In there? Oh, I'll see it when
yeah. So I see you at the travel desk. Oh, I gotta do this.
Give me that.
Thank you so much.
You need help, Gloria?
No.
You good? Oh, you got the nice souvenir T-shirts.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. I can see the design. The fun
Okay.
T-shirts.
Where am I throwing this away?
Oh, fried noodles. Yeah, I like that. It's good.
Is there a place to throw this bag?
Please dump it in the room.
Yeah.
Gloria, thank you. See you later.
Yeah.
You wanna pick up the water?
Yeah.
Yes. Do they have water?
I can't unbutton it now. This one right here. Not going through.
Turn around the other way. I think maybe that sign said it didn't work.
4階です。
4.
上に参ります。
Well, I think that sign says it doesn't work, maybe.
Maybe. But he was in the way to do it there.
Yeah.
ドアが閉まります。
It's going up.
ドアが閉まります。6階です。下に参ります。
See? Alright, you're back home.